managing your business wisely. If you are a writer, especially one who charges for your services, having a business plan in place is essential. Never mind that a business plan can help you run your business more effectively, but a plan should be one that passes IRS scrutiny as well as meets all state and local government requirements. Sometimes, it is nearly impossible to figure out what steps you should take in order to even meet the myriad requirements. You are an excellent writer. That doesn't mean you are an expert at business administration. My local technical/community college is offering on Tuesday nights this year to help business owners. Some of the topics they are offering include establishing your mission and vision for a small business, protection, copyrights, patents, trademarks, intellectual property, show me the money, prosperity principles for your small business. I plan on taking several courses this year as I want to make certain my business passes muster. Naturally, I want to concentrate on the writing aspect of the business, but the remaining stuff is necessary too. Check with your local continuing education office for a list of upcoming seminars. Many courses are free or require a nominal fee. In any case, you have nothing to lose, but a business to gain.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.